So how to work effectively? In my IT career, lot of people had come to me and they asked me, Deepak, what is the reason of your energy? How you are able to achieve so many things in less time? And the reason is the principle, the best practice is what I am following. Obviously, when you are unable to work effectively, you are unable to make any impact on your organization, you are unable to get any identification, you are unable to grow, as well as you will always be in stress and tension because of your unfinished tasks. So let's deep dive to find out what you need to do so you can become a bond in your workplace and able to take care each and every task very professionally and very effectively. So this is Deepak Chaurasia, and if you love my channel, do subscribe and press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any awesome videos I create. So I will be sharing the 7 principles which you need to follow so that you can become an effective worker and can make greater impact on the work what you do. The first principle which I want to share with you, be a morning person. Yes, if you have read the self-development books, lot of books has told the morning 3.5 hours is very creative time. So if you are someone who sleeps very late in the evening, you will obviously going to feel lot of tiredness and will not have any desire and any enthusiasm to work. Getting up early is the formula which will give you all the desired energy, and when you get up early, you can control your day the way you want. So get up early and win your day, because when you get up early, you can achieve lot of things. You can do workout, you can plan your day, you can do the activities which can improve you on daily basis. So getting up early is very, very, very important thing you must follow. Now the second principle which I want to follow is be energetic. Yes, if you do not have energy, if your body lack of energy, then there is no point, you cannot do effective working. So how you can keep your energy high? If you know, there are 4 kind of energies which you need to take care if you really want to have the passionate and enthu in your work. Number 1, spiritual energy. Number 2, mental energy. Number 3, physical energy. Number 4, family energy. So when I tell spiritual energy, daily basis, at least you should do 10-minute pranayam or meditation, so that you can connect to higher power and you can get the peace required in your life. When we say about the mental energy, your mind should be clear. It should have very much clarity so that it can do the task without confusions and you can achieve more in less time. So to get the mental energy, you need to read lot of self-development books which can give you lot of information, lot of new perspective about the life. Physical energy, everyone knows, you must keep your body active so that you are fit, be it by yoga, by gym, by swimming, or whatever kind of activity you like, you can do for that. And to keep your family energy high, make sure you spend quality time with your family, because if you have problems in family, if the relations are not going good, and if there are negativity, you are not going to be passionate, you are not going to be positive, you are not going to have the enthu what you need to have. Yes, so take care of all those energies. Now the third principle which I want to give you, plan your day activities in advance. Yes, if you do not plan your day, you are not going to do efficient working and you are going to waste lot of time here and there. So if you prefer to plan your day activity last night, do that. Otherwise, once you get up early morning, after your daily rituals, you plan your day activity that in so and so time I am going to do so and so things. Prioritize the things in proper manner. If you do not know how to plan your day, I will be creating a video that how people can plan their day very, very effectively. So plan your day so that you have a hold and control on your day. Fourth principle which I want to give is avoid distractions. Yes, I have seen a lot of people in my career, in my office, they have 2-hour works. They will take 4 to 5 hours to finish it. And they feel they are dedicatedly working, still it is taking that much time. They don't know passively how much time they are wasting. They will be busy on their phones, doing WhatsApps. They will be having the social media account open while they are working. They will be having news channels open which they are listening. With so much of distraction, how you can achieve effective working? Even the work what you are going to do will be substandard, which is not a good thing. We need to do good work. So avoid all kind of distractions. The major distractions what I see in today's generation is WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, news channels, etc. So try to avoid these distractions. Try to avoid the gossips while you are working. Always focus on your task so that you can finish it in a perfect manner, most effective way, your task. And once you start focusing on your task and avoid all the distractions, your 2-hour task may finish in 1.5 hours. I can guarantee that. I have experienced that. Because when I work, I only work. And when I do gossip, I will only gossip. So work while you work, play while you play, gossip while you gossip. Now the fifth principle is take needed breaks. Yes, some people I have seen, they will be working so hardly that they don't take the breaks. And I must tell you, someone who is working 4 to 5 hours continuously without taking break, he is not doing effective working. He is not going to achieve the desired results. Your mind is not a machine. You need to give rest to your eyes. You need to give rest yourself. Your body posture should change. So make sure every 1 hour or 50 minutes you take a quick break, maybe 5-minute break. You go to have water or just change your postures, do some stretching exercise. But it is very much needed that you take the needed breaks, a small breaks that will give you the energy back which you can use and work in better way. So do not avoid breaks. It's very much needed. Sixth principle which I want to tell, have meals on time. Yes, some people will show they are so dedicated to in their work that they forget to have even the meal. But I must say, I am not like that. If my stomach calls me and it is unable to wait, I cannot wait. I am the person, if I feel hungry, I cannot do anything. First I need food, because that is the energy, that is also one energy. When energy go inside, then only we can work, correct? So do not skip your meals. Don't show off is not required. I see lot of people, when it is a time to work, they will be smoking, they will be sitting in canteen. When it is a time for meal, they will be working. When it is a time to go home, they will be playing table tennis. If you maintain your work life this way, then no one can help you. Make sure have meals on time. No one can work with hunger, I can assure you. Seventh and last principle is enjoy your personal time. Do have a clear line between professional activities and personal activities. Your personal activities should not impact your professional activities, and your professional activities should not merge in your personal activities. So if you are in home, try to be a homely person. Spend quality time with your family, which is your family energy. It will give you the boost to work in a better way next day. Chase your dreams. Read good books. Call your near and dear ones. Don't waste your personal time in unnecessary office tasks. I have seen lot of my close friends when I was bachelor and I was staying with 3 to 4 guys. When we was coming back home from work, lot of people will be still be checking office mails. I don't know what they like in that. I must say one thing very clearly. If you do not have any life after work, then you will be that kind of person. So make sure you have life after work. Make sure you have habits, you have dreams, you have desires, you have people to talk. Don't miss your life because of work. So these are the 7 principles which I wanted to share with you. And I must say, I follow this principle, and if you are going to follow this principle, these principles are going to make you a very effective worker, and you will be able to grow also faster in your life. Do let me know if you have some more principles which you want to share from your end, which if we adhere, we can become an effective worker and we can handle our life in more better and beautiful manner. I will be waiting for your reply. Thanks guys. This is Deepak Chaurasia. Do connect with me. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.